how to change keyboard language on iOS and Android. I'm going to show you how you can easily change the keyboard language on iOS or Android. Start by opening your keyboard. On iOS, hold down the spacebar until the language option appears. On Android, the process is similar. Hold the spacebar to see the language settings. Next, tap on the language settings option. On iOS, tap Keyboard Settings and then Add New Keyboard. On Android, you may need to tap Add Keyboard or Languages. Here, you will see a list of available languages. Scroll through and select the one you want to use. After selecting the language, tap Done or Save to confirm your choice. Now that the new language is added, go back to your keyboard. Then, hold the spacebar again, and you should see a list of the languages you've added. Now choose the language you want to use, and you can start typing in that language.